STFC's Business and Innovations Directorate is essentially the bit of STFC that does the industrial engagement. We have a number of divisions and a number of things that we do to ensure that STFC manages to get its remarkable innovations out into the public. So our first bit is our innovations team, and this is a bunch of people whose job it is to go around and talk to our scientists, to our engineers, to our inventors, and to come up with ideas that have come out of our national science programs and turn them into things that are relevant to people's everyday lives. And we do that by taking technologies and spinning out companies. And we've had 20-odd companies which have come out of STFC over the years. Everything from instrumentation that goes into space, through to medical diagnostics, through to cancer treatments. We run STFC's business development team. So this is a bunch of people who are in one part scientific and in one part business. And they sit within our departments and they go out, bring in industry to work with us on collaborative research and development. They allow these businesses to access our facilities. And STFC runs probably the biggest inventory of high-end scientific equipment of maybe any organisation on the planet. And this cutting-edge technology needs to be available to industry, and it's our business development team that make that possible. We have a very big business incubation capability. So across our campuses, we currently have somewhere in the region of 130 or 140 early stage technology businesses that live on our campuses and work with us to take the technology that they're developing, use our facilities, use our support to grow their businesses. We also have a very active cluster team, and we run clusters around our campuses in health tech, energy tech, space, digital. We're just about to launch a quantum cluster, and we're looking at other areas such as security and defence and advanced materials.